Hello and welcome to the Pacific Echo. For this video, I am going to show you how to calculate the value of sine, cosine, and tangent in this given right angle triangle for the angle marked here. Alright, so to find the value of sine, cos, and all this, you first of all need to know the SOH CAH TOA rule. One of the very important rule in trigonometry. Alright, so is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is the sine, and cosine is the adjacent over the CAH is the cosine, which is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and TOA, which is the tangent, and that is the opposite over the adjacent. Alright, so this is very, very important that you need to know this. Alright, so let's start with finding the value of sine. So there we go. Sine theta is equals to the opposite over the hypotenuse, and with respect to this given angle here, this is the opposite, and this side here is the adjacent. Therefore 4 centimeter is the opposite side, and this side here is the hypotenuse. So 5, we have 4 over 5, and 4 over 5, 4 divided by 5 is equals to 0.8. Now let's move on to finding the value of cos. So we have cos theta is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse, and again this side here is the adjacent, this side here is the opposite with respect to this given angle here. So adjacent is 3 over the hypotenuse which is 5. There we go. 3 divided by 5 is equals to 0.6. And finally tan theta, which is the opposite over the adjacent, and the opposite is 4 centimeter or 4, and the adjacent is 3. So we have 4 over 3, again with respect to this given angle here. So 4 divided by 3 is equals to 1.333. If you happen to use a calculator, if you do long division, you will end up getting an infinite number of 3. I think of 4 to 5 3. So we just write it as 3. There we put a little small sign there. Okay, so we have 1.3. There we go. This is how you can find the value of cos, sine, and tangent in a given right angle triangle if a angle is given. All right, thank you.